Hello friends, today we know about the Vernier caliper. Before we know, we should know the terms. Okay, VSD is the vulnerable scale division, MSD is the main scale division, LC is the least count. Okay, so go for the theory. If there is like n VSD, so there will be n minus 1 MSD. Okay, mean one less than anything. If we return here like 10, if 10 VSD, here is the 9 MSD. If there is 100 VSD, there is 99 MSD. Okay, if there is 90 MSD, there will be 89 MSD. Okay, that's it. If you're taking the 1 MSD, it will become n minus 1 by n. Okay, the 1 n is divided here, so that's why. Okay, so it is 1 MSD. Okay, so least count is also known as vulnerable constant. VC stands for the vulnerable constant, LC stands for the least count. So it will equal to the 1 MSD and 1 MSD minus 1 VSD. This is also the very important formula. Okay, you should remember this, and when you solve this, it will become least count is equal to 1 by n MSD. So n is here what? Number of division on the vulnerable scale. MSD is the smallest division on the male scale. So that is the least count. You should remember this, and this, the four terms. Okay, now move through the another theory. So as I said, like if there is n VSD, there will be n minus 1 MSD. So if there is 10 MSD, there will be 9 MSD. Okay, so that's why it is 1 VSD is equal to 9 by 10 MSD. Okay, and least count is equal to 1 MSD minus 1 VSD. And here 1 MSD is equal to 1 mm. That's you also remember. That is also the thing you have to remember. And to put 1 mm here, 0.9 mm, least count will become 0.1 mm. Okay, so the least count is equal to 0.01 centimeter. Now reading, come to a reading. This is a very important term. Okay, reading, because in the question we're going to find the least count and the reading also. So total reading is equal to main scale and vulnerable scale plus vulnerable scale into least count. Okay, that is the total reading. This is the very must formula. You have to learn it. Okay, that's it. So this is the formula. This is the least count. Now move to the question number 1. So this is our first question. So here we given 20 VSD is given 19 MSD. Okay, 20 VSD is equal to 19 MSD and 1 MSD is equal to 1 centimeter. We have to find the least count. Okay, so what is least count here? Okay, so least count is equal to 1 MSD. Wait a second. Least count is equal to 1 MSD minus 1 VSD. So let me turn the camera for the clear visual. Okay, so it is clear. Let's go. Okay, so for finding least count, we have to deal with this. We have to find 1 MSD here. So if 20 VSD is equal to the 19 MSD, so 1 VSD is equal to how much? 90 by 20 MSD. Okay, 90 by 20 MSD. Okay, so put this value here. Okay, it will be 19 by 20 MSD. Okay, that's it. Now solve. When you solving it, it will become 20 minus 90 by 20 MSD. So it becomes 1 by 20 MSD is like LC. Okay, that's it. Here MSD is given 1 centimeter. Okay, here as MSD is given 1 centimeter, so put 1 centimeter instead of MSD. So now solve. Okay, now solve the value. So it will become now how much? When you solve it, it will become 0.05 centimeter. Okay, that's it. This is the answer. Here the list count is 0.05 centimeter. Thank you. So we move to the another question. Okay, so moving to the another question. So this is our another question. Here is given here is given 19 MSD is equal to 20 VSD and 1 centimeter divided into 20 equal parts. Okay, so that's it. If you're finding the least count, you should know this, like if we are taking this, list count will be what? List count is equal to 1 MSD minus 1 VSD. Okay, and here 1 MSD is equal to 19 by 20 MSD, and it will become what? It will become 1 by 20 MSD. Okay, 1 by 20 MSD. 1 by 20 MSD. List count is equal to how much? 1 by 20 MSD. So put 1 by 20 MSD here, and here is like 1 centimeter divided into 20 equal parts. So here instead of MSD we can put 1 by 20. Okay, if it is 30 equal part, then this will be 1 by 30. Okay, so here 1 by 20. So now when you solve it, it will become this, and when you solve into the decimal, so it will become 0.00025. okay, that is our list count. Okay, here our list count is 0.0025. okay, this is our list count. That's it. So move to the another question, the question number 3. This question is given the list count is 0.001 centimeter. 49 MSD is equal to 50 MSD. So what we need to find? We need to find the 1 MSD. So put the list count formula. LC is equal to 1 MSD minus 1 VSD. Okay, so here before we need to find the 1 MSD. So what is 1 MSD here? 1 VSD here. 1 VSD is equal to how much? 49 by 50. Okay, 49 by 50 MSD. Okay, got it. Now you have to put 1 VSD here. Okay, so put 1 MSD is equal to 49 by 50 MSD. Okay, now what you need to do? You need to solve it. So when you solve it, it will become 1 by 50 MSD. Okay, this is list count, this is list count, and here list count is given what? List count is given 0.001 centimeter. So it will be 0.001 into 1 equal to 1 by 50 MSD. So what we need to find? We need to find the 1 MSD. So what we'll do? We will divide, like we will multiply. We'll multiply 50 into this decimal. Okay, 0.001. So what will happen? So take the decimal out. Okay, and it will become how much? It will become 0.05. Okay, that's it. So 0.05 centimeter. Okay, 0.05 centimeter. So if this is what? This is 1 MSD. Okay, if we convert into mm, so what will happen? It will become 0.5 mm. Okay, so this is 1 MSD. And what question demands? Question demands the 1 MSD, and we know 1 MSD is equal to this. Okay, that's it. So we move to the another question. So this is the question number 4. This is the question number 4. So what this question number demands, like here